In this video, I will be discussing time series analysis, which is an analysis used for doing forecast in SPSS. I already got a data, which you can see here. You can go to the SPSS demo file, watch the previous video to get to know how to locate SPSS demo file. This is catalog.scv. I'm going to use this one to predict the trend of the sales of men clothing. You can see the men clothing here. This is the data on the sales of men clothing, women clothing, jewelries, and males and pages. So many information, so much information. But what I'm going to do right now is I'll go to time series analysis. I'll go to forecasting. I'll go to create traditional model. Yes, I already picked some things here already, but so let me just remove them. So usually when you come to this, let me reset it. Good, I'll reset everything. So you see this time series modeler, and then there are a few options up here. I'll click on the date. Date is an independent variable. Then I'll pick men's clothing. Let me just pick just one for now. Then I'll come to the type of modeling, the method of modeling. Let me use ARIMA. ARIMA is the most common type of modeling. Then I'll go to statistics. You don't need to change anything here. Then I'll go to options. In options, I'll click on this second first case after end of estimation period through a specified date. You just say that after the end of this this data ended in 1998. So but I want it to run for to do a prediction over the next 5 years. So the next 5 years will be 2003. So I'll type 2003. So that's all. So I could just go back there, then I'll click on OK. That's all. So this is my model fit. It gives me some statistics on that. Then this is the model statistics. It gives me the signal values. So there will be a significant change in the sales of men's clothing over the next 5 years. Now you can see the trend is going up and all that. So now, but I can also do a forecast for the other ones combined. I can do a multiple time series analysis. So I'll go here, I'll go to analyze, then go to forecasting, still go to create traditional models. I'll click OK. Then I'll add women's clothing, jewelry, and then I'll just click on OK because my other settings are still there. So it gives me the ARIMA modeling for just the model 1, model 2, model 3. Then it gives me quite a lot of information, but these are basically mean, standard error, minimum and maximum. Now, but it tells me that it gives me the trend. You can see the trend over the next 5 years. You can see the trend over the next 5 years. Yeah. So it's very important to note that in SPSS, you can actually run a predictive analysis, and this is important when, like in a business, you want to know if your sales is going to increase over the next 10 years. This will help you in planning to scale up or to scale down your operations. Thank you so much.